Welcome to Basic Electrical Engineering. My name is Kalyan Pal. I will discuss about the subject Basic Electrical Engineering that is taught in the first year. The subject code is KW101 object 201. If you learn the subject in odd semester, in first semester, the code will be KW101. And if you read the same subject in the second semester, the code will be KW201. The entire subject, the syllabus is divided into 5 modules. Module 1 is based on DC circuit analysis. In this first module, we will discuss about the DC circuit behavior, where we have to calculate the current, voltage, power, etc. with the DC power supply. Here we have to learn about some theorems also, for example, Thevenin theorem, Norton theorem, superposition theorem, etc. The second module is called AC circuit analysis. In the second module, we will discuss about the behavior of the electrical circuit with the AC power supply. And here we have to discuss both the single phase AC supply as well as 3-phase AC supply, and corresponding topics like resonance, power factors, etc. we have to discuss in this module. The third module is based on transformer. In this third module, we will discuss about the basic characteristics of the transformer, its operating principle, applications, etc. As well as we have to discuss about the connections of 3-phase transformer and also a special type of transformer that is called the auto transformer. This all will be discussed in the third module. The fourth module consists of electrical machines. In this fourth module, we have to discuss about the electrical machines. The machines means the electrical device which converts electrical energy to the mechanical energy and vice versa. When the energy is converted from electrical to mechanical, then this machine is called the motor, and when the mechanical energy is converted to the electrical energy, it is called as a generator. The machines is of two types. It is of DC machines, it is of AC machines, and in this module we have to discuss both the DC as well as AC machines. And the fifth module is called electrical installation. In this fifth module, basically we will learn about the household wirings, the earthing, the batteries, different type of cables and wires, then different type of protecting device like MCBs, fuse, etc. So in first year, the subject basic electrical energy consists of these 5 modules, and we will start one by one. So first of all, we will start the first module, that is the DC circuit analysis. Okay. Now the evaluation scheme of the subject. According to the university curriculum, the basic electrical engineering is of total 150 marks. This is the total marks. It has 2 components. The first one is called the internal assessment. And the weightage for the internal assessment is 50. This 50 marks is again divided into some different parts, that is class test, then module test, sessional test, and attendance. So throughout the semester, 2 to 3 class tests, 2 module tests, 2 sessional tests will be conducted, and your attendance should be at least greater than 80%. Then according to your performance, you will get the marks out of 50. This is the internal assessment. The second part of the number is called the external end semester exam. And the weightage for the external exam is 100. At the end of the semester, the university will conduct the external examination for 3 hours duration, and there you have to appear for the exam for 100 marks. So total marks is 100 plus 50, that is 150. This is the marks for your theory subjects. Okay. Regarding textbooks, university has suggested 2 good books. The first one is written by D.P. Kothari, and this is from Tata McGraw-Hill publication. The second book is written by D.C. Kulsestro, from McGraw-Hill publication. Other than these 2 textbooks, university has also suggested some reference books. So first one is the Basic Electrical Engineering, written by K. Sahadev, from Pearson publication. And the second one is written by J.B. Gupta, from Kataria and Sons publication. So you will get each and every topics from these books. Other than the books, I will give some written notes time to time, depending upon the syllabus and the topics covered. So you will get sufficient study materials for your preparations.